Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, hello, I'm Claire. I have got another unboxing for May and it is Toyl. This is what it looks like inside. I haven't opened it up yet. So if you're new to Toyl, which means time of your life, and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. If you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their May box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments. So you're free to flick forward. Toyl stands for time of your life and it is aimed at women of midlife, say from about 35 years and older, and it costs £39.99 a month and that includes shipping. Shipping is only available in the UK. Inside you'll find a curation of skincare products that have been tried and tested by founder Karen, who is an award-winning beauty blogger and an Amazon best-selling author of Time of Your Life book. And all the products that are featured in the box, you'll see her doing lives on her social channels, introducing the products, going into more depth about them and why they're chosen, etc. And sometimes she speaks directly to the brands themselves. Inside you'll find anything beauty related, so skincare, hair care, makeup, nails, anything that is aimed for midlife women. Each box is over £100 and on the 18th of the month you are able to see on Toyl's Instagram and Facebook pages what the following month's books are going to contain. So if you are a regular subscriber and you want to know what the following month's going to be and you think, do you know what, not for me that month, then you are able to pause the subscription. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and they've kindly given me a code to share with you, which is GEEK, and that will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box. I think that's it as far as information goes. I'll pop all links and codes down below in my description, as well as any other boxes they have available on their website. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we got a little booklet here and it details everything about the products inside this month's box. It's time to get our hair into the best shape of our lives. Midlife hair can be a challenge. The colour might go a little grayer than we like, it can be a little drier than we like, and sometimes a little thinner than we like, but that doesn't mean it can't look fabulous. This box shoots for glossy locks with body and texture by giving you hair care without silicone to optimum hair health. Silicones look great as they give impeccable shine, but after a few uses hair gets coated and starts to look limp, not what we're aiming for. Silicone can also make hair more prone to breakage and make hair thinner through lack of moisture. This box of incredible products are all from brands that are the trailblazers in performance products for hair without silicone to give incredible results. I've also popped in an Aromatherapy Associates hydrating face mask for two reasons. First, you can use this as you relax with your We Are Paradox 3-in-1 hair mask, or as we all have to make our money go further, you can pop it in the drawer as a fabulous gift next time one of your friends has a birthday. It retails for £45. The Ultimate Hair Collection is suitable for all hair types, so have a wonderful time exploring this box. So first up, we've got Lifesavers Pre-Wash Treatment. I haven't seen this before. 3 more inches for healthy hair. It's a pre-wash treatment with cashmere protein for all hair types. And there's 100 mils there. I've never ever heard of this before. This treatment retails for £10. First up, we've got the 3 more inches. This is a pre-wash treatment to help get rid of silicone and drive deep in your hair shaft to rebuild protein to shore up any breakages. The brand says, want gorgeous, shiny, healthy hair that grows stronger every day and style like a dream. This is what Lifesaver pre-wash treatment will give you. Perfect for all kinds of hair. This professional silicone treatment is rich in cashmere proteins that repair and recondition hair to feel its natural, beautiful best. Karen's top tip: if your hair is really dry, apply and leave on for up to 45 minutes. You can also apply overnight and wash hair in the morning, as the brand says. Lifesaver dries clean so it won't mark your pillow. I tried it and it works a treat. So that's the first item in the box. You'll either receive a full shampoo or a full conditioner. And full means fullness and volume, not full bottle. There's 236 mils there. This retails for £25. Living Proof is one of the most exciting hair care ranges around, and their full range is perfect for those of us who want more body. This gentle yet effective shampoo thoroughly cleanses hair, priming it for maximum fullness by removing residue and build-up. Karen's top tip: you're looking to use a raspberry size amount on your hair, clearly depending on your hair length, but you don't need to overdo it. Let the product do the work for you. You don't need masses of lathering with a shampoo, nor slip with a conditioner. So we got a shampoo by Living Proof. Next we've got a product by We Are Paradox. This is the 3-in-1 repair conditioner. The 3-in-1 conditioner retails for £20. 99% natural, 90% plastic free, but more than that, this product is incredible. Conditioner, mask, styling product all in one. Karen's top tip, I want you to use this as a hair mask. Towel dry hair, run it through from roots to ends and let it do its magic for 10 to 15 minutes. The natural formulation, the Irish moss, and if you can add a shower cap to keep the heat in while it's in your hair, this makes a better hair mask than many sold as such. Rinse thoroughly after use, but once you dry your hair, if it's still dehydrated, just run a little through the ends and leave it to soak in. Now I've got a few little minis of these and I've yet to use them because I've put them in my to go away box, which is overflowing now. You might have seen my video a few weeks ago, but yeah, I've got a few of them in there ready to take with me if I'm going away for the night or a weekend or holiday or anything like that. I just thought that would be a handy product to take. I better use them, really. I've got to use them, so I'll use this for home and I'll keep the others as taken away. But yeah, so there's that. Next we've got a product by Dr. Pawpaw. This is It Does It All 7-in-1 Hair Treatment Styler. It heat protection, reduces split ends, detangler, leave-in hair treatment, reduces frizz and smooths, blow dry and styling, and adds shine. 95% natural, and there's 100 mils here. So this retails for £9.99. Oh, it says here, thought they just did lip balms? Think again. This is 95% natural, vegan friendly hairstyling product with no need to rinse. It can do all of these, which I've just read off the front there. The perfect marriage between a leave-in conditioner treatment and a hair styling product, vegan friendly and cruelty free. Karen's top tip. I wanted you to have this as a heat protector. So many of us use hair dryers, tongs, curling wands, crimpers, straightening irons, etc. And I wanted you to help stop that heat damage that you're doing to your hair. We've spent all this time putting moisture back into your hair, protect it from heat with this product. Of course, it has 6 other uses, so enjoy those, particularly the shine it gives the hair. There's that. And lastly, we've got the Aromatherapy Associates Hydrating Rose Face Mask, Moisturising and Renewing. There's 100 mils there. That's what it looks like. This mask retails for £45. So when your skin needs an extra dose of moisture, layer on our Hydrating Rose Face Mask. The Damask Rose Water Infused Gel returns vital hydration to skin surface, flooding it with moisture and natural humectants. Have I said that right? Humectants. Skin emerges supremely hydrated, glowing with a dewy finish. And Karen's top tip, it can be an overnight mask if you're really hot at night as well. That gel is very, very cooling. That just sounds amazing. Yeah, let's open it up and see what it's like. Can I try a little bit on my hand? Yep. Yeah. So how rosy is it? No, it's fine. It's fine. I say it's fine, it's only because if you're watching this and you haven't seen any of my videos before, I don't like rosy scented things. That's why. But no, it's quite subtle and it is cooling. Yeah. So those are all the products inside this month's Toyl May box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap and adding it all up as well. We've got Living Proof Full Shampoo. We've got 3 more inches Pre-Wash Hair Treatment. Dr. Pawpaw 7-in-1 Hair Treatment Styler. We Are Paradox 3-in-1 Repair Conditioner. And lastly, Aromatherapy Associates Rose Facial Mask. Now the cost of the box is £39.99 including shipping, and this month's value comes in at £110. I really like how they've presented the products to us, telling you exactly how to use them and in which order as well, which is great, isn't it? Because it feels like you're getting a proper routine in. A nice selection of products, mainly for your hair, but then with a mask on the side as well. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? What do you think of this subscription? I know a lot of you do subscribe to Toyl and you love the way, like I do, how it is presented to you in the little booklet, telling you how to use it with lots of tips and things like that, as well as, you know, watching Karen on her social channels talk more in detail about the products and why she uses them. But if you're new to it all, what's your first impressions? What do you think of it? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.